to use Planet Fitness lockers. So to be able to use the Planet Fitness lockers, the first thing that you'll need to do is to gather your essentials. So before entering the locker room, gather everything you'll need for your workout. This might include your gym bag, water bottle, towel, workout clothes, headphones, phone, keys, and wallet. This will help you minimize trips back and forth and keep the locker room flowing smoothly. Second is to locate an empty locker. So enter the locker room and scan the area for unavailable locker. Look for lockers that are open or have the lock in unlocked position. Ensure that the locker is the right size for your belongings. Now prepare the locker. If the locker is a combination lock type, ensure the dial is cleared. If it's a digital lock, make sure it's ready for you to set your code. If the locker already has something in it, you'll need to find another one. After that, place your items inside the locker. Avoid overstuffing the locker as this can make it difficult to close and lock. Organize your items to make them easy to find later. Now set your lock. Follow the instructions on the lock to set your combinations or code. Make sure you understand the steps before you close the door. Double check that the lock is securely engaged. Now test the lock. Before leaving the locker, try opening and closing it once to confirm that the lock is functioning correctly. This can save you a potential headache later. And then enjoy your workout. With your belongings safely secured, head to the workout area and enjoy your time at the gym. And that is how to use the Planet Fitness lockers.